Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, it is told that a particle is moving in a straight line and we have given a relation between displacement and time. We have to find its acceleration in time t second. So we have given that the displacement x square is equal to this is 1 plus t square. Now if I am differentiate on both side, so we can say this will be with respect to time t. So we can say this is 2 into x into dx by dt is equal to this is 2 times of t, or from here we can say that dx by dt is equal to this is t by x. Now I'm going to differentiate it again, so we can say that this is d2x upon dt square. This will be written as, that is, now differentiating this, so this will comes out to be x minus t into this is dx by dt upon x square. Now put the value of dx by dt here, so we can say this is equals to, this is 1 by x minus this is t by x square into this is t by x. So we can say finally our acceleration is equal to this is 1 by x minus t square upon x cube. So this is the answer of our given question. Here we know that acceleration is the double derivative of position vector, that is 2x upon dt square. So this is our answer, and we can say for that option C is the correct choice. Thank you.